Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at how we can log in and access our Pearson materials and make assignments to our students. So this all begins with our Power School, so you must log into your Power School first. So I'm going to do that first. And now you're going to see my Power School window. You should be able to see your classes. And the way to access your Pearson materials now is to go over to the right-hand side up here to the Applications Launcher. If you'll click on that button, this will give you a pop-up of the Applications Launcher. You want to click on the Pearson Courses. From there, it will open up another window of your Pearson EasyBridge. From the Pearson EasyBridge, you want to go over to the right, go down to the Pearson Realize tab and click on it. This will launch another window that will bring up your Pearson materials. Now notice I can browse my algebra material, I can browse my classes and my data. What we're going to focus on is the program materials so that we can make an assignment. So I'm going to click on Browse My Algebra 2 Materials. And this brings me to the table of contents. This table of contents is where I want to look at the different topics that I want to assign. And let's say today I'm going to go down to exponential and logarithmic functions. If I will click that button, it will launch that section of the book. Now in this we have different things. You can access your teacher's edition from here. You can access the student's interactive edition, but we're more about looking at how to make assignments. So let's look at lesson 6-1 in this particular case. And if you'll notice in this button, I have an options button here. I can click that, and this will allow me to gain info for this, or I can go to my teacher's resources from there. But I actually want to go into this lesson, so I click this lesson, and it opens it up with the different features for this lesson. And if you'll notice on each one of these, like for example the student edition or the Explore and Reason for lesson 6-1, they have assignment buttons at the bottom of those. If I want to assign this, let's say the Explore and Reason, I click the assignment or the assign button. Notice it gives me the title of what the assignment is. And this is where I need to assign the date. So let's say I'm going to make this assignment today. So I'll click on the calendar button there. It highlights the current date, and today's the 19th. And let's say I want to give them plenty of time to do this, so I'm going to give them till Monday. So I click the other under the due date, click the little calendar, and I'm going to go choose Monday the 23rd to make that assignment due. Also, if there's any instruction here that I want to put in here, I can. So I might want to put in here a note, see your section in the book. And then to assign it to a specific class, I go over here to where it says enter a class, group, or student name. Click here in that window, and then I know it's going to be an algebra class, so I just start typing in the word algebra, and it lists my classes that I have. So I'm going to choose Honors Algebra 2, and then just click Assign. And that automatically assigns that whole assignment to the entire class in my Algebra 2 Honors class.